Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Today we are talking about another carryover model for Harley-Davidson 2024 Sportster S, coming in at $19,999 Canadian. Last year, well, it was pretty similar. Only a $500 difference, $500 cheaper. So additional $500 this year. And we also have no surcharge. So we are in really good shape for the pricing on the Sportster S. Now, the only minor change, if you will, is the same as all the others. We have Billiard Gray as the base model color. Now, it doesn't look as good as last year's color, Gray Haze, which I dubbed the Terminator color. And, well, yeah, it doesn't look as good as Gray Haze, but it definitely does look good, especially as a base model color, considering it is included. You don't have to pay extra for it. So, definitely a good-looking color on the Sportster S. Obviously, we also had Bright Billiard Blue, which is no longer available, so I'm a little bit disappointed that we don't have a brighter blue or a deeper blue available this year. However, we do have two very unique colors for this model, which are both brand new. We have Red Rock, which is red, and that is going to cost you guys an additional $600. Now, this is classified as a premium color, so Vivid Black, $375, $600 for a premium, and then we have Premium Plus, and that is going to be the Sharkskin Blue for an additional $700. So we've got $375 for Vivid Black, $600 for Red Rock, and then another $100 on top of that for Sharkskin Blue. Now, out of all of the colors that are available, including the base color, I'm really leaning towards Billiard Gray and Red Rock. Now, you guys may find that a little bit surprising, considering for the most part I would pick Vivid Black. However, between the gray and the black, I don't really want to spend almost an extra $400. And if I am going to spend a little bit of extra money, I'm going to pick Red Rock because for some reason, I don't know why, it seems very inconsistent on the website, but the Sportster S looks absolutely stunning in Red Rock. I don't know why. Again, maybe it's just the contour of the bike. You know, the parts that are painted on the bike. I don't know why, but it just looks so good. And everything else just doesn't look as good. So keep in mind, we have ABS and security and cruise control standard on this model. And, well, that's it. There's not a whole lot else going on with the Sportster S here. The thing basically got away rather unscathed. Only a $500 increase in the MSRP, which is really nice, and still some pretty nice color selections as well. So if you guys are interested in the Sportster S, I would say you guys are looking at some pretty good options, and the price is really good as well. Pretty much maintained at sub $20,000. And remember, you guys are getting a ton of bike, tons of performance technology on this model. And if you guys are kicking yourselves, maybe you guys don't like any of the new colors, maybe, just maybe, there are some 2023 models still at the dealership right now. And as of recording this video, I know Harley is trying to push some of those models out. So there are some promos, but you guys are going to have to call your dealerships, your local dealerships, to find out what those are and if those promos are even still on by the time this video comes out. I am doing quite a few videos on the carryover models, which is going to be leading up to January 24th when Harley has the big reveal new models, new details, tons of stuff going on this year. I'm being patient, and I hope you guys are as well. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button so I know that it's working. Any comments, questions, let me know what you guys think of the Sportster S. Do you guys agree on the colors? Do you guys like some of the older colors maybe? And if you do, which ones would you guys like to see in the future? I'm going to answer the question for you guys right now. I would like to see the Sportster S in a really, really sharp, bright orange. Like Harley Racing orange. That is what I would personally like to see. And if any of you guys agree with me, let me know in the comment section down below. Last but not least, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any of the other carryover model videos that are going to be coming out this month. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.